This is a vegetable tanned cow leather. It is a 3 to 4 ounce vegetable tanned leather. The grain side of this leather has a smooth matte finish, and the flesh side is also smooth and finished with a bit of a soft texture to it. There's no extra material on the flesh side as well. This leather is different from a lot of vegetable tanned leathers in that it's prepared in such a way to make it optimal for flexing without damaging the surface of the leather. It won't crack under flexing, which is optimal for a lot of soft goods. Backpacks and purses would benefit from this leather. There's a lot of natural character on the grain side as well, as you can see, with creasing lines and a lot of color variation. If you want to make a product that really emphasizes the natural beauty of the vegetable tan leather, this is a great leather to do that with. This is a leather that's made using American hides from American cows, and it's available in a single side in store and at ZeliSTORE.com. As always, if you have any questions, please send us a message on social media or ZeliSTORE.com.